Big. That's all.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Guam, where the local time is approximately 2:20. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry-on items stowed into the aircraft is parked at the gate, and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Use caution when opening the overhead bins to prevent injury, as items tend to shift in flight. You may now use mobile phones or other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. As you leave the aircraft, please be sure to check around your seat, the overhead bins, and the floor area for your personal articles, as you may have brought on board with you today. We invite you to visit Delta.com for all of your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta and our Sky team partners and co-chair partners, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. We've enjoyed having you on board today with us and look forward to serving you again in the near future. Thank you and have a great day.
皆様、グアムマナ国際空港に到着いたしました。ただいまのグアム現地刻は午後2時25分でございます。ご運転のため、頭上のシートベルトの着用サインが消されますので、手荷物などお取り出しにならず、シートベルトを締めのままお座席にてお待ちください。これより携帯電話や小型電子機器をご使用いただけますが、ノートパソコンのご使用は控えください。弊社ウェブサイトデルタ .com を通して旅行のご予約、オンラインでのチェックインやスカイマイル口座情報を確認していただけます。皆様、本日はスカイチームメンバーデルタ航空をご利用いただき誠にありがとうございました。また皆様にご利用いただけますことを心よりお待ち申し上げております。